Hey guys, this is Selfie Style with Shoaib and Chirag
We give spontaneous on-the-spot reaction right after watching the film.
in Selfie Style.
Going for Rangoon right now, and we are excited for this film. Let's see how it is.
Hey, we are back after watching Rangoon.
Bloody hell.
Bloody hell. Anyways, आप लोग जाएंगे देखेंगे तब पता चलेगा what is
Yeah.
bloody hell.
Yes.
Now we'll tell you what is Rangoon.
Yeah.
रंगून फिल्म है 1944 के दौरान की, जहां जब हिंदुस्तान आज़ाद नहीं था, वो अंग्रेज़ों की कैद में था।
Yeah.
उस दौरान पे एक एक्ट्रेस जिसका नाम है जूलिया, एंड लाइक उसका जो इंट्रोडक्शन है, आई विल कम बैक टू द इंट्रोडक्शन बट लेट मी फिनिश ऑफ विद द स्टोरी। तो ये जो एक्ट्रेस है वो ब्रिटिश लोगों को एंटरटेन करने का काम दिया जाता है, एंड उनको बैक कर रहे हैं रूसी मौर्य, दैट्स द बिग कंपनी। बट बीच में एक फौजी आते हैं जिनका नाम है Nawab Malik. Yes, Nawab Malik, Shahid Kapoor. Now, the triangle begins. Shahid Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan, and Kangna. So let's see. ये मिलती किसको है? कंगना किसको मिलती है? For that you have to watch the film. Now, what I would like to begin with is like विशाल भारद्वाज यार, what a man, like वो characterization इतना मतलब इतनी डेप्थ तो है लेकिन इतनी आसानी से कर देते हैं, छोटी सी चीज़ में, बिना किसी डायलॉग के, बिना बड़े बड़े सीन के। जूलिया इज़ अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर, लाइक यू नो, वो एक बंजारन रह चुकी है और वो रूसी मौर्य के पास आती है और उसे इज्जत शोहरत नाम चाहिए, रूसी मौर्य का नाम चाहिए, लाइक दे बोथ आर इन लव, शी वांट्स टू गेट मैरिड एंड गेन दैट पोजीशन, बट बेसिकली फ्रॉम इनसाइड शी इज़ अ बंजारन। वो पहले बंजारन थी, वहाँ से रूसी मौर्य ने 1000 रुपये में उसे ख़रीदा था। उसका कैरेक्टर इतनी ब्यूटीफुली उन्होंने एक छोटे से सीन में डिस्क्राइब किया कि वो रूसी मौर्य के साथ बड़े से फंक्शन में वाइन पी रही है, लेकिन मौका पाते ही जब वो जाती है और अपने मेकअप रूम में जाती है, स्पॉट बॉय ठर्रा पी रहा है तो उसका ठर्रा ले लेती है और अपना वाइन उसको दे देती है। सो दैट इज़ द कैरेक्टर ऑफ जूलिया। इसके अलावा वो अल्लड़ है, मासूम है, वो है। एंड नाउ लेट मी डू फिनिश ऑफ विद द कैरेक्टराइजेशन। दूसरा ब्रिलियंट वो सैफ अली खान, ही इज प्लेइंग अ रूसी मौर्य कैरेक्टर हु इज लाइक, वो अपनी बोलते हैं ना कि शोहरत के नशे में चूर है, किसी को कुछ नहीं समझता है, लाइक यू नो कुछ है ही नहीं, बट इन लव विद दिस गर्ल जूलिया। बट जूलिया की पोजीशन उसकी ज़िंदगी में क्या है? उसका एक छोटा सा उन्होंने रखा है, बड़ा प्यारा सा, विच सेज एवरीथिंग, कि वो जब जूलिया को देखता है, जो भी बात होती है बाद में बोलता है जूलिया कम, और अपनी जांग पे बोलते कम या। तो जूलिया की जो अहमियत है, जो जगह है उसके दिल में, वो उसकी जांगों पर है। तो वो एक बड़ा ब्यूटीफुली उन्होंने रखा है, एंड इट कन्वेज द कैरेक्टर ऑफ सैफ अली। So hats off to Vishal Bhardwaj, like he does so beautifully. Film तो brilliant बनाएंगे after Omkara, and like he's a wonderful maker, man.
Heather.
Well, like brother, now screenplay पे I would like you to start with the screenplay.
Well, first, like you said about the characters, right? Each characters are like a contrast of one another in a way. So when they're together, it creates an interesting, you know, conflict sort of a situation. But now, when you come to the screenplay, the thing is that when we saw the trailer of this movie, you can check out our trailer reaction. When we saw that, we saw different things. We saw war, we saw romance, we saw glamour. Like Kangana Ranaut came across as some actress. So we thought, man, all these things would be scattered. You know, maybe there's no focus in this film, right? But then when you watch this movie, you notice that all these elements complement each other, and they're knitted together so nicely that you don't feel like, oh my God, this was unnecessary. Nothing is forced in this film. You know what I mean? And the other thing is that the way the love is shown in this film between Kangana Ranaut and Shahid. You know, and from Saif Ali Khan's side, the way it's shown, the way it's shown is like there are situations in the film and obstacles in the film which bring them together. Like when Shahid Kapoor and Kangana Ranaut are in the war zone. You know, the thing is that there are certain obstacles that bring them together, and then there's this nice, you know, romantic scene in the mud.
You know, that's so awesome. All the romantic scenes are beautiful, man.
So you feel the love. You feel the love thanks to certain situations, and the war complements the love. Love and war. You
love
know?
and war.
So that is nice.
That is nice. Songs are beautiful. Mere piya gaye England, and that tang rang ring ring ring, like all are hummable, and you'll remember the songs like ekdam se fatafat muh pe aa jate. These are the hit numbers, and rocking music, man. Faraz choreography is too good. Everything is good about it, like the music, the romance,
and, about the
making, everything.
About the music. I love the way the music is used in this film. It goes along with the narrative and stuff like that. It's not like, oh my god, the music just came.
कहीं कहीं एक दो जगह वो जो songs unnecessary लगते हैं towards the end, वो है songs काफी है लेकिन छोटे छोटे हैं, बहुत बड़े नहीं हैं.
Okay, I love like in the beginning of the film, like towards the beginning of the film, there's like a couple songs, and how it's shown like the characters are lip syncing the song and they're moving as if it's like a Broadway musical. You know, it's not like the way it's usually shown in Hindi films. The way the song is there. There's this particular song also in the train, in which the characters are singing and walking, and the train tracks and the sound of the train tracks, sound of the compartment and everything complement the music. It goes with the music.
With the music,
So that's nice.
And
so these small details basically is what makes this film an interesting watch, basically.
Now this was all like, you know, in praise of Rangoon, but अब आ जाते हैं drawbacks पे फटाफट. Drawbacks ये हैं कि देखिए first half जो है interval से पहले, in spite of so many good things, everything, good cinematography, good making, everything good performances. But yeah, कुछ कभी you know थोड़े pace slow लगने लगता है, थोड़ा सा लगने लगता है थोड़ा, और ये feel आता है कि interval के बाद ऐसी ना हो जैसे यही पेस ना रहे. लेकिन लकीली थैंक गॉड उसका पेस ड्रास्टिकली चेंज होता है और बढ़ता है आगे, यू नो, तो वो मजा आ जाता है. क्लाइमैक्स इज टू गुड, एवरीथिंग इज टू गुड, बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नेगेटिव ones. You have any more negative points about this?
No. I was totally engrossed into this film. I thought the ending was a little, it got out of the flavor of this film. Like the film set up a particular flavor throughout the movie, and then towards the end it's like it changed its flavor. You know, it got into it felt like, wait, is this same movie? You know, but then it gets back on track, and then you're like, oh wow, this is a really good movie. So just a moment there at the end I felt was a little,
that was another negative point. And the last, the negative point, एक ये लगा कि from such a brilliant maker and like, you know, such a, you know, wonderful film, जहाँ stars को ज़बरदस्ती हीरो बनाने के लिए ऐसा फील आया कि कैरेक्टर को वो चेंज करके, you know, like तो वो याद है, अरे क्यों यार इतना ब्यूटीफुल कैरेक्टर था, ठीक है नेगेटिव था तो रहने देते ना यार, इसको हीरो बनाने की क्या जरूरत है. Like I won't let out the story, man. Go and watch it. You'll realize that.
Go and watch it. And there's just one more thing I want to.
Flavor खराब कर दिया यार.
Okay.
वो करके.
That's the flavor. That's the flavor that I'm talking about.
वो जो character का flavor था, उसे अच्छा positive बना के and you know heroic touch दे के वो कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया. But I don't know. In industry it works. You know, everybody has to be happy as a hero, maybe.
Yeah, man. And hats off to the foreign actors, man. The foreign actors.
Yeah, foreign actors have done good, like because of
no. What I love about these foreign actors is the fact that if you see most Bollywood movies, right, a lot of the foreign actors seem to be a little, you know, fake in the way they're acting and all this stuff.
They are
but
very
in this
natural
one, they seem very natural, which means Vishal Bharadwaj is good at directing foreign actors.
And Indian actors too. Zulfi has done a wonderful job, man. Zulfi as a spot boy. So there is so much to talk about this movie. We'll go on and on and on and on. Negative points हर चीज़ में होती है, इसमें भी है. मैंने आपको बता दिया. आपको अच्छी लगे या नहीं, वो आप देख के बताइएगा कि मैं सही था या नहीं था. गलत भी हो सकता हूँ. तो anyways, overall, thumbs up from me.
It's a cinematic experience. It's nice, worth a watch.
Stars. How many stars?
4 stars.
4 stars?
Yeah, man.
3.5 stars from me.
Okay,
so we leave. Bye. See you again. Do subscribe.
Like, share, and all that jazz.
Bye.